the General's Mansion. The General's Mansion was originally located in Poyang County, Zhujiang City, Jiangxi Province, China. It was built in the Guangxu period of the Qing dynasty. It was the mansion of General Jin Deheng in the Qing dynasty. It has a history of more than 130 years. The whole building adopts the ancient fine bolt construction method. The building materials are constructed of fu fir and camphor wood. Each pillar has Qingdu stone as the foundation. The structure of Chinese geography progressing step by step. The main structure is made of 88 fir columns, and camphor wood is used as beams, and exquisite figures are carved on the beams, all of which belong to ancient folk illusions. Byron toothpaste was established in the 100th year of the Republic of China in order to give back to the public who visited the factory, and to uphold the historical value of preserving antiquities. In 1 year, they were repatriated from the original site in Jiangxi Province, hired local masters, disassembled the entire General's Mansion, packed it in cabinets and shipped it back to Taipei. And then invited the original batch of local masters to come to Taipei to present its appearance in the Zunkonguang factory area of our company. For Chinese people to watch and repair historic sites. K. Guangxu II of the Qing dynasty General Jin Deheng, a native of Lushan Village, Baohu Township, Poyang County, Jiangxi Province. Went out to join the army in his early years and served in the army for 18 years. Live in this General's Mansion, according to Jin Kun Fangbiao, secretary of Yashan Village Committee Branch, when General Jin Deheng died, there were 9 graves, all of which were buried with him. Each tomb carried the coffin into the burial with one person. So where is Jin Deheng buried? No one can verify or outsiders can know.
Yung pang nasalo ko ng tubig, tapos dito nilalagay yung nasalok na tubig. Tapos yun naman yung panglagay ng tubig dito sa lutuan para mas mabilis. Kaso bawal siyang hawakan. Yung lutuan, yung ginagamit naming lutuan dati nung panahon sinuunong panahon pa. Yan. Tapos may nakaiwan ng face mask. Ayan. At ito yung pinaka-exciting part, ang kainan. Ganito sila kumain. Kwarto nung nanay ng hari. Kaso hindi naman tayo pwedeng pumasok sa loob. Dito lang tayo sa labas. Andun yung ihian nila. Yun yung yun. Tapos yan yung higaan nila. Dito naman kami nagkukwentuhan, charot. Dito sila nagpupulong-pulong pag may mga kung ano-anong pagpupulungan nila. Oh, ayan. Dito kami nagmamarites, charot. Sinusuot nila kapag maulan. Yan. Ito yung lagayan nila ng alak o kaya ng